The Motorola O212 cordless phone system stands out for its unusually long wireless reach, making it practical for larger homes, workshops, and small offices where you may roam far from the base. Its rugged build with strong protection against dust and water means you can confidently use the handsets in the yard, garage, or on a porch without worrying about every splash or bit of dirt. The system supports a generous contact directory and multiple handset registrations, which is especially helpful for families or small teams who want shared access to frequently dialed numbers. Inductive charging with a smooth, contact-free cradle reduces wear on charging pins and makes it easy to drop the handset into the base from almost any angle. A clear color screen with enlarged font options and an illuminated keypad keeps the phone readable and usable even for those with weaker eyesight or in dim rooms. The built-in answering machine offers ample recording capacity so callers can leave detailed messages, helping you stay on top of missed calls without needing a separate device.